Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Eco-Friendly Nest Initiative launched. The Indian Green Building Council, that is IGBC of the Confederation of Indian Industry, has launched a new eco-friendly rating and certification initiative named NEST. This initiative aims to promote sustainable construction in the domestic housing sector. This was unveiled during the announcement of the IGBC Green Building Congress 2023, scheduled to be held in Chennai from November 23rd to 25th. The IGBC's Green Building Rating and Certification programs cover 31 categories, including commercial spaces, factories, railway stations, SEZs, and schools, and have already achieved a green building footprint of over 10.42 billion square feet in more than 11,586 projects. NEST would significantly assist individual homeowners and the residential sector in adopting green building features. Additionally, Co-chairman of IGBC Chennai chapter mentioned plans for constructing new public conveniences in Chennai with green building concepts under the gold rating standard.